Hey everyone, this is Madhavi Andra and welcome back to my channel Achieve Your Dream. So today in this video we'll be discussing about the Shakti Act 2020. So let's get started. This act was actually implemented by Maharashtra government, that the draft bill which makes the changes in existing violence against women, existing laws on violence against women and children on 16th December 2020. So this bill have been launched by Maharashtra government by considering a few bills like Maharashtra Shakti Criminal Law, that is Amendment 2020, and Special Court Machinery of Implementation of Maharashtra Shakti Criminal Law 2020. This kind of act was already implemented in Andhra Pradesh as a Diksha Act which was passed on 2019. So the purpose of this bill is that the changes that have been done in minor changes that has been done in um, penal code, that the code of criminal procedure and the protection of children on sexual offences act, that is POCSO. Okay, these changes that has been proposed in existing sections of rape, sexual harassment, acid attack and sexual abuse of children. Okay, this for such type of people who has been performed all the kind of rapes and sexual harassment, they'll be having the death penalty for all the if it the categories are like rape, gang rape, rape for the persons in which the authorities, and sexual abuse for the minors, and acid attacks and who have been injured. In case they have been injured, the death penalty will be given to those people who have done those kind of offenses. Okay, and the next is according to the section, the specific provisions that are related to this act was Shakti Act was section 352E, that was added and included in the intention of acts creating a sense of danger and intimidation and the fear of to an woman, apart from insulting her, and of any act, deed or words or including the offenses of communication would be offenses of the maximum punishment for 2 years and 1 lakh fine will be given. So according to 354E, the person who will do such type of sexual harassment, or who will make the woman fear for anything, if you will not do anything, if you will not accept for the kind of xyz things, then that if the offense was actually came into the court, then they will be punished for 2 years and also 1 lakh fine will be given. So it includes the uploading of videos of women or threatening them, uploading photos and videos that has been defaming or cause of disrepute on them or violence on their privacy. If anyone is blackmailing, saying that I will be uploading your videos or photos or videos in internet, those people will also be under this death penalty, under this punishment and also this fine. Okay, and provisions of false information impiled content. According to this bill, the provision which makes the false complaint, if any person says a false complaint against the harassment or threatening or anything humiliating in a wrong intention to face the other person jail or something, so at that time if it is a false information is given to the police, or then this particular person will be having a fine or 1 year imprisonment, or both will be given to such type of persons. Okay, if any false information is provided. So that's it for today, and if you like my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.